Hey there, my name is Jude C. Fine. Today I'll be showing you 4 ways you can earn an extra 350,000 naira to 750,000 naira monthly selling digital products. Don't worry, the digital products are not the ones you would create, they are not the ones you would own, but they are very good digital products that would deliver massive value to those buying it. So you are not worried, you don't have to be worried about that. Before we get into that, hit the subscribe button so you get subsequent videos from me. And pardon me, this is my first video, so it's going to be crappy. So let's get into it. To make money online, you need one of two things. You need a hot selling product, or you have a skill that is highly in demand. Most highly in demand skills include copywriting, freelance writing, SEO writing, then products, anything, physical products, digital products like courses, books, and PDFs. So if you have a product you can sell online, you'd make money. If you have a skill that you can sell online, you'd make money. Or if you're just starting to find ways to make money online and you don't have a product or a skill, how can you get started? Okay, this business model is called affiliate marketing, but in this case you're going to be focusing only on information products. It works for every other thing, but in your case, since you're just starting, you're focusing only on information products. And just selling 2 or 3 good information products and being known in that niche can earn you as much as 350,000 naira to 750,000 naira easily in Nigeria. And earning that amount of money in Nigeria in itself is a big deal considering Buhari's economy. Let's not get political. So the first step in making these sums of money selling digital products is 1, you choose an interest. When I say choose an interest, I mean what group of people do you want to serve? Who do you want to sell information to? Right now, the hottest selling interests, also known as niche, but let's use interest, let's use general themes. The hottest selling interests are things that are in the how to make money niche, that is wealth. Every one of us needs ways to make money, and that's why I went to schools in the first place, to learn a skill that we can apply to make money. So if how to make money right now is a very hot topic, and it will remain a hot topic for the rest of our lives. So that's why the whole Bitcoin, everything with the whole information on how to make money, people are producing courses, some good courses, some bad courses, but focusing on the good courses. So how to make money online is a hot niche. Another hot niche or interest is the health niche. Everyone wants to be healthy, fatter, fitter, slimmer, more sexy, more productive. So that's another niche in itself. Then we have the relationship, the sexual need, that's dating, sex, and all that, any information that falls under that category. Then under the how to make money niche, you can still get the personal development. People want to be better, they want to live happier lives. So that's choosing an interest. Why it's important to choose an interest is you are going to be known as an authority for something. Just like in music, we have musicians that are rap artists, we have those that are R&B singers. When you're choosing an interest, you want to be in one niche, you want to be known for something. That's how people see you, as someone they can ask questions. And choosing an interest also means your research is limited, but it's more in-depth. You don't, when you want to write, when you want to give people the right information on how to make money online, you can do the proper research. But if you're doing how to make money and you're trying to do health and relationships also, you're going to be splitting yourself everywhere and have just 24 hours. So that's the first step, choose an interest. But make sure your interest falls among the 3 or 4 hot niche now: personal development, how to make money online, live healthy, sexual relationships, and dating. Then the second way to start earning this money online is to have a website or a social media platform. The website is necessary because you're going to be doing some other things with your website, like having a page, creating blog content, all that. It's secondary for now. I'm just giving you the skeletal structure on which every other thing stands upon. So your website or your social media page is where you show people what you're doing and how you can help them. This is like, would sound like your portfolio, would sound as your shop, exactly where you come to display your wares. So this is where people would come and see what you're doing. So that's why you need a website or a social media platform. When it comes to website and social media platform, there's a mistake I made I would not want you to make, and that is try to spread yourself too thin. You build a website for your storefront, then you choose 2 or 3 social media platforms. We have so many of them. We have YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Quora, Reddit, to I think Pinterest. There are lots of ways you can get people, that you can get to interact with people online. But you have to choose two. Why you have to choose 2 or 3 at most is because you're going to be creating content on this platform, and if you have so many platforms, you can't create content on all of them, because right now you're starting as a one-man business. So that's step 2, creating a website. Then step 3, this is where the money really is having a way to attract people to your website. So there are 2 ways to drive traffic traffic to your website. One is free organic traffic. That's when you post on your Twitter, if you use a website, your blog is SEO configured. Don't worry about the SEO thing for now, just a breakdown. So that's how you get people to see what you're doing, and you can only drive traffic by creating valuable content that educates and gives people solutions to their problems, so they know this person has a solution to what I am looking for. Then the 4th step that now gives you all this money is basically the foundation on which this business is built. This is the affiliate network. That's how you earn money. That's the 4th step. The affiliate network is like a middleman. In this case, you'll be the middleman, but the affiliate network is the middleman between you, who is coming to sell digital products, and people who are creating digital products. So the people creating the digital products, we are going to call them publishers, because that's what they are known as. So they meet an affiliate network and they give them their products, and most of these products are very good products that are delivering value already from the course creators, their audience. So they are trying to spread their products to more people, and this is where you and I come in. So you come in, you register for an affiliate network. When you register for an affiliate network, you find a good course and you take that course. Let's say a course sells for 50,000 naira. There are courses that sell for 100,000 naira, and people are buying these courses like daily, like hotcakes. So yesterday you take a course that sells for 50,000 naira, and the commission on the course from the publisher's agreement to the affiliate network is anybody that can help me sell this course at this price gets a percentage. Usually the percentage range from 30% to 70%. So for this example, we would use 50%. So you get 50% of 50,000 naira, that's 25,000 naira. Now let's imagine you can sell 10 of these products in a month, which is very, very possible considering creating content on your website and your social media platform. And even if you're going to now use paid ad, that's the number is astronomical. But let's say worst case scenario, you sell 10 products, that's 250,000 naira from a product you did not own or create. It's not a very big item, it's not a car, it's just, most times PDF files are 100 pages, or it's a course, or it's a program. But the person that is getting it, since the program is going to be good, that's why you have to promote really good programs, will be so glad that you've helped them accomplish something. In the past 3 years, I've been doing this, and I've paid someone, I don't know the person, close to $800 in subscription fee. It means I got into a training from his link, and the course, what they've been teaching me to do, I pay monthly, say $49 monthly. So for the first 30 months, when I pay $49, he gets 30% of that $49 monthly without doing any other thing, just from writing one blog post. So these are ways you can make money selling digital products in Nigeria. And to make all this work for you, if you're just starting, you need training. That's the forgive. If you don't have training, if you try to do everything on your own, you're going to waste a lot of time. So what I'll do for you is, in the affiliate below in the comment section, I'll leave a link to my email list where I have prepared a guide. This guide is so simple. I used to teach about 30 or 40 people on how to start their own business selling digital products online. And you can download the guide. When you download the guide, you have a free 7-day email marketing course that will take you through the steps of setting up your own business. It will help you choose a niche. You see how to get two free websites right now. You'll also learn the best ways to start your own business. You will get introduced to affiliate network in Nigeria that pays every Friday unfailingly. You'll be getting a roadmap to making 350,000 naira to 750,000 naira monthly. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any questions or anything, just reach out in the comment sections. I'll get back to you. I'll try and do this more often. So hit the subscribe button once again, and I hope you learned from this. Bye.